All right, so this is my Rails project for Flatiron School. I created a movie rental site called Tierney Cinema. Um, it's a functioning movie rental site, but I mean, there's no movies on it, so you can't actually watch the movies. But it allows the user to uh, create an account and log in, and then you can also log in with Google using OmniAuth. Um, and then once you're in there, it allows you to peruse a list of movies and choose which ones you would like to rent. Um, and then once you've added the movie to your rented catalog or whatever, you can return it, and then you can write a review about it. I'll show you real quick how it works. I have my app here under Tierney Cinema. Um, I have my controllers here. We've got our application controller, which contains some of my private methods for authentication. And then we've got the movies controller, which is used to have an index in the show. The index shows the list of the movies, and the show is for the individual movie once you click on it, which gives you the option to write a review about it or uh, rent it. You can also view the reviews that have been submitted for the movie from other users. Let's see. The rental controller allows you to, in the index page, you can view your movies you currently have checked out and your past rentals. And then it allows you to rent a new movie, or it creates the action of renting a movie. Um, the reviews shows the reviews for a particular movie and allows you to create a new one. Um, and the sessions is used for our OmniAuth login, as well as logging in and creating a session for the user. And then the user's controller is used for the sign up page. Um, and without, I already have it booted up, so I'm gonna go ahead and all right, so this is it. I just got some basic CSS, but it allows you to, let's create a user real quick. Fake user, I think two, I'm gonna have to do. And then fake user, and then let's say that they're, let's do something that doesn't allow them to view each movie. Say they're 15, and then we'll create a password. So it greets them and says, "Hey, hello, fake user." It gives you their email and their age, and then it tells them what movies they're old enough to watch of which rating. So if they were over 17, it would tell them that you can watch PG, PG-13, and rated R movies. And I didn't go anything above R because I don't want to have those kind of movies on here anyway. But because they're only 14, they are only old enough to watch PG and PG-13 movies. Something that I might want to implement in the future is that it might not even show them the movies that are rated R, so they can't even select from that. But for right now, they can't add those movies to their list. So from there, we have our nav bar. The home screen takes you back to the sign up and login page. The all movies will take you to the list of movies. The my profile takes you back to this page, and you have the option to edit your profile here. And then, so like if I had a birthday and now I'm 15 years old, or if I wanted to change my username to William, then I could just confirm my password or type in a new password, and then I could just change my information like that. He's still not old enough to see the original movie. So, all right, so if we go to the all movies page, we have the list of all the movies. I don't have a create function for the movies. I just seeded these in. I didn't feel like a user should have the ability to create movies to add to the list, and I didn't do any admin login authentication or credentials or anything like that. All right, and then so you can filter the movies by rating. So if you wanted to just look at PG movies, or if you just wanted to look at PG-13 movies or rated R, it isn't functional yet, but I'm building a filter to be able to filter movies by title based on the letter that they start with, so kind of alphabetically. But that isn't functioning yet. It's more of a stretch goal. But to see your past rentals, you go to my rentals page, and it'll show you the rentals you're currently checked out and the rentals that you have checked out in the past. This is a new user, so they don't have any. So you go back to movies. All of these are links. You click. So let's say I want to watch Nightmare Before Christmas. It brings you to the show page for that movie. It says movie number 33. And it gives you the option to rent the movie. You can see the reviews for the movie or write a review. There are currently no reviews for that movie. That was a weird error. I'll have to look at that. Or it gives you the option to write a review, and then it gives you the option to rent the movie, and then it shows under you're currently checked out. Nightmare Before Christmas rated PG, and then if you return, it switches to your past rentals. Unfortunately, there's no option to actually watch the movie because copyrights and legality, and it's a little bit above my knowledge and understanding. But we'll get there. But it also has the option to log out, and then once you're logged out, you cannot go to any user's page or anything because all right, so yeah. Once you're there, or once you're logged out, you don't have access to. I don't know what I'm doing. It's supposed to be a redirect. I have to check that. Looks like I had some things to work out before my technical review, but I'll get it figured out. Yeah, I'll have to get that figured out. But the core functionality of the web page is working. It allows you to sign up and log in. And if I let's say I was fake user 2, or no, I changed the name to William. Here, once you have the sign up, it should allow you to log back in. Yep. And there you go. This is my Rails app for Flatiron School. Thank you.